Welcome to Counselors Online Services, or COLS. This video will show you how to search the OST files you already sent to the UWAC. To begin, select Search OST Files from the Service Links navigation menu. You can refine your search based on criteria such as collection period, message number, upload date, processing status, errors or warnings, and more. Tip: to see a complete list of files you sent to the UWAC for all collection periods, leave all fields blank and click Search. The file log provides a quick summary of your files, tells you when each file was uploaded or updated, shows each file's processing status, and whether there are any errors, and whether or not it is a subsequent file. Under Processing Status, all files you recently uploaded will appear as queued or queued on hold. Note: depending on the time of year, it may take several hours before a file is processed. Tip: if your processing status shows queued or queued on hold, it is okay to close your browser. Closing your browser will not affect the file processing. Scroll horizontally across the page to view all of the different options. In the Actions column, you can download the raw data or click View Summary to see file update statistics and a detailed summary of any errors and warnings that may have occurred when your file was processed. For details on individual errors, click Details in the Action column. The student, line, and position number for each occurrence of the error or warning is listed. You can export any of these lists as an Excel or HTML file. Scroll to the top to return to the previous screen, or start a new search. Now you have learned how to search the OST files you already sent to the UWAC. For more features and tips about using COLS, check out the COLS resource section on the guidance website.